Chapter 9.2, Converting Units in the Metric System. Well, there's no vocabulary today. We do have this key idea, and that is how we convert units in the metric system. You'll notice that you see multiplying by 100, multiplying by 10, or 1,000, 100, multiplying by 10, and then dividing by 10, 100, and 1,000. So a millimeter, milliliter, milligram, doesn't matter if it has a milli or a centi. If it's a small unit, and I'm going to convert it into a larger unit, I'm going to divide. So if I'm converting milliliters to centiliters, I will divide by 10. Millimeters into meters, I will divide by 1,000. Grams into kilograms, divide by 1,000. The reverse happens if I'm converting from a large unit to a small unit. I'm going to multiply. So a kilogram into grams, I'm going to multiply by 1,000. Liters into milliliters, I'm going to multiply by 1,000. So you can follow this chart, copy it into your notebook so that you have it with you at all times. And let's get into the examples. So a door is 3.2 meters tall. 3.2 meters. What is 3.2 meters in centimeters? So if I look back over here at my chart, I'm going from meters to centimeters, and I see that I'm going to multiply by 100 because there are 100 centimeters in every meter. So if 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, to find out how many 3.2 meters, I'm going to multiply times 100. When I multiply by 100, I can just move the decimal point 2 places to the right. 1, 2, put a 0 in here because I have an empty place. So 3.2 meters is equal to 320 centimeters. Now, you'll notice that I used the shortcut of just moving the decimal. That's totally fine. If you want to do the math and work it out, you can do that also. Bring the zeros straight down to 3, 1 place behind the decimal, 320 centimeters. All right, let's take a look at example 2. The distance from the equator to the North Pole on the Earth's surface is approximately 10 million meters. What is the approximate distance in kilometers? Since I'm moving from meters, a small unit, to kilometers, a larger unit, I'm going to divide. I'm going to divide by 1,000 because there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So 10 million. Since I'm dividing by 1,000, I can move the decimal 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, there are 10,000 kilometers between the North Pole and the equator. All right, example 3. Complete the statement. 325 centiliters, the C stands for centi, equals how many liters? So I'm going from a small unit, centiliters, to a larger unit, liters. So I'm going to divide by 100. 325. I'm going to move the decimal 2 places to the left because I'm dividing by 100. So 325 centiliters is the same as 3.25 liters. And that's it for examples. So when you're doing your work today, please make sure you write down the original problem. For example, 3, not a decimal yet, 325 centiliters equals whatever your answer is, and put a box around your answer. So here's your original problem. Here's your answer. If you need to do the actual multiplication or division, you can. If you just want to move that decimal, you can do that also. All right, if you have questions, I'll answer them the next time I see you.